Hey guys, Creative Unity here, and today I'm going to show you how to create flat art, mostly using pen tool and shape builder. So, jump in, let's go. I prepared a color palette for the project. I always do it before recording the video. First, I am going to make a vertical line across the center. Change the stroke way that you could see the line. Grab a pen tool and click left mouse button on the vertical line while holding shift. That way we will form one side of the heart. Turn on your imagination and adjust the shape until it's good for you. Select the vertical line and delete it. Now, select the path and go to Transform, Reflect and make a mirrored copy. Align the mirrored path to the previous. Select both paths and create a shape using Shape Builder tool. Select the created shape and add a bit of weight on stroke. 8 is good to go. As you can see, I'm adjusting the sharp edge by dragging a corner a bit, and doing the same for the bottom. Now, I'm using the pen tool to create a shape inside, which will be my background color of the heart. I will turn off stroke later as we won't be using it for this. I'm changing the color and arranging it to back by pressing Ctrl plus left side bracket. Now I will do the same for the other side of the heart. This will be our shadow. I'm changing the color to the darker red. Once again, adjust the arrangement using hotkeys or by mouse, any way you prefer. Now I am duplicating our heart outlines to fit the face in the middle. Change the color to a bit darker red. Adjust it that it would be visually appealing. We will create the eyes for the second little heart. I will create them using Ellipse tool. Hold Shift plus Alt while dragging. That way you will create a perfect circle. Adjust the positioning and change the color. Now, create a mouth for the second heart. Gonna use Ellipse tool once again, and remove the upper point using Pen tool. I will increase the stroke to 4 and adjust the position and the size of it. I am using a pen tool to create a cute little tongue. Same technique as for the shadows. Select both shapes and remove that lower path using Shape Builder by holding Alt. I forgot to add some visuals to the eyes, so I will do it now using Ellipse tool. Now, we want to remove some part of our main outline. Select the outline we created, go to Object and Expand, select only a stroke. Grab the eraser tool and delete a little bit of that line on the left side. Smoothen the corners by selecting both of them while holding Shift and just drag it. I will create additional detail to put it in the space we erased. Adjust it and we are good. The last part is to create the so-called ground. I would use a rectangle tool for this purpose. Gonna split it in 3 parts. I will change the background color, and we are good. Beautiful and simple. I hope you like my workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. See you around. Bye.